Hi, I just bought this heater and a few weeks ago. But since today is the first day, I decided to open it because it was kind of cool in here. So as you see, it's on, it's connected, and actually I have it less than half of the power and the echo one. I turned it on and it started heating exactly after 5 minutes. It turned off. I took the instructions and it says that if it gets overheated, it will turn off. But hello, it's 5 minutes running and it's not in its maximum. There you go. Now it turns on again. And then I'll wait. And it turns on and it turns off every 5 minutes or 4 minutes. It turns off again. So actually that's not what you really expect to be standing up, turning it on again, and turning it off. And I don't know if we should wait so long, but it took me exactly 5 minutes to turn off. Now it's too hot for this side, and I'm turning it a little lower. It has a good power. It's a nice heat. But the problem is today, in a matter of less than an hour, it turned off 3 times. There you go. It turned off again. And it has been what? Probably 1 minute or 2. So that's why I'm sending it back again. Bye. Hope this will be useful for you.